Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Delta Force network error. So let's start. Now for the first method, make sure you are already connected to an internet connection. So you need to just go reboot your router for a quick test. Next step, go to the Windows search bar, type in view network connections. Now look for your Wi-Fi, right click on it. After that select properties. Now scroll down, go to TCP IPv4, double click on it. This will open. Make sure you switch obtain DNS server address automatically to the second one. After that type like this 888 and 8, and for the alternate DNS server 884 and 4. After that select OK. Make sure to close everything. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar and type in settings. Now this tab will open. Just go to the Windows update in the left menu and make sure you are already downloaded and installed the latest updates. After that go to network and internet, scroll down, go to advanced network settings, click on it. After that scroll down. In the more settings you will find the network reset, so select it. After that select reset now. Clicking on this button will restart your computer. Now for the last step, go open the Steam launcher and then go top left corner to the Steam icon, select it. After that go to settings. In the left menu go to downloads and select clear cache. After that select confirm. Next go to library and then go to collections. Look for the game Delta Force. Select it. After that go to the right, which is the gear icon right here. Select manage. After that click on properties. Now this tab will open. Just go to the left menu and select installed files. After that click on verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted file causing the issue of the network connection will be recovered and fixed. Just wait for the process to finish. After that go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.